Hi, this is a video on 3 cases which are excellent for taking on trips with you to carry your action camera stuff, gear, or your 360 gear. Now, the 3 cases are the GoPro Compact, the GoPro Casey, and the GoPole Venture Case. Right, let's have a look at each one of them and show you the good and bad of each one. Starting off with the GoPro Compact case, the GoPro Compact case. Now this case is very lightweight, very small, and you can see the material that it's made out of here, which is like a nylon, thick nylon material with a nylon handle, one blue pull for the zip, so it's just one zip, a rubber surface. Now it is waterproof, so it is waterproof, and this case has a divider inside, which is one divider. Now that divider can be placed across, or like what I have placed it in an L shape like. It can hold one GoPro camera, no problem. Actually, it can hold 2 GoPro cameras if you've got them, no problem. But I use this case to hold my GoPro camera, my Insta360 and my DJI Osmo Pocket here. Now it's lined inside. I'll do a zoom into it there. It's lined inside, and it has one zip pocket which is mesh. Now the advantages of this case is if you're taking just camera equipment, just your camera and possibly one pole or a selfie stick which is small enough to fit in here, and a couple of batteries and a charger, it's great, absolutely great for taking that. And also if you're carrying a rucksack or a carry-on luggage, it's good to put that in this case in there because it's quite compact. Now I bought this case off Amazon. I think it was £15 at the time, but I got it on an offer, so I only paid about £11, and it's a great case. I have taken this case with me to Budapest, on a carry-on luggage, absolutely brilliant. And that is the GoPro Compact. The next case is the GoPro Casey. Now this is one of their classic cases, absolutely hard shell case, rubber bottom, and I would say a rubber hard nylon top with the words GoPro in rubber, nice nylon handle with rubber on it, and on the zip pulls you have 2 zip pulls on here. And we'll open this up, try and get that into shots. That's it. Now on here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 dividers with this GoPro with Casey, and the dividers you can put them in any which way. It's very deep, and it's capable of holding at least 4 cameras, no problem, if not even more if you put them at the top. So you can carry quite a lot in this. You can carry quite a few poles in there as well, and extra batteries. It's a very good case. It has a separate pocket up here with a rubber tag on it which states GoPro, and you also get this bag. Now this bag is a nylon waterproof bag, suitable to go on your belt. We have belt straps, belt hooks here, and in there with a zip pocket we have a pocket here and a pocket over here and another mesh zip pocket inside, as you can see. It is a very good, unique case, I have to give it that. And when I went abroad to Jamaica, I took this case with me. It was very good because for the trip there in the suitcase, my equipment was well protected in this. And then when I was out and about, I took several cameras with me, and they were great to place in this bag and on my person, because I put my belt through this and used it basically like what the Americans would say, a fanny pack, and in England we say a bum bag, and just use it as a bum bag. It was absolutely great. Very, very lightweight, I give it that. The case, which I forgot to mention, is lined with a soft lining inside, and it is waterproof. So this is the GoPro Casey. Obviously a lot bigger. It is a lot bigger than the Compact and more deeper. So this is a good case for these long haul trips, or you want something to put in the car on a day trip. That's a good case to have. Next up we have the GoPro Venture Case. Now this case I originally bought to take on trip with me, but I ended up using it as a storage case. I still would take it to long haul trips and short haul trips if in my carry-on luggage, like with the other two. It all depends on how much equipment I'll be bringing, because this case is slightly bigger than the GoPro Casey. Now with this case, it is more of a padded nylon textured case, a bit like the Casey. It has one zip with the words subscribed on the GoPole, a little hook here, a padded handle, I would say a nylon stroke rubber bottom on this, on the bottom of this, and the whole case is waterproof. When we open it up, we have a pocket here, which is obviously quite deep. We have two separate mesh pockets here with the GoPole logo on there, and then we have a divider. Now this divider in the GoPole Venture Case you cannot move, it is fixed. So what you get in here is a band here, which is elasticated band here and here to hold down your cameras or other stuff that you want to put in there. And we have this long section here, which is mainly to place your selfie sticks, if they could fit in there, or other equipment. Now this case I did take abroad when I went to America, and it is a very good case. I had this case before I had the Casey, so I used this to take to America, and it held that time my HERO4 camera and HERO5 camera. No problems with this case when I went. It's quite a very good case to have, and as I says, compared to the Casey, is a bit more broader, so you can fit more stuff into this case. But at the present moment I use it as a storage case to store my equipment in. But if the time arises where I need to carry quite a bit more stuff and the Casey can't fit, the Venture case I definitely bring. Now it's about the same thickness as the GoPro Casey, as you can see. The difference being with this is with this case, other than the size and the materials it's made out of, is that it has a complete waterproof zip. On the Casey, I am not quite sure if this is waterproof because this has a rubber feel on this case, on the Venture case, while this has a more of a nylon cloth feel to it. But you can't go wrong with any one of these cases if you're carrying quite a bit of equipment with your cameras, providing that they can fit into these cases. They're quite good cases to bring. Now, the compact case, if you're just on a day trip or you want to carry something in your overhead luggage or cabin luggage, or it's just a week that you're going for and that's it, that's very good. Absolutely lightweight, won't add any extra weight to your luggage whatsoever. This is obviously a bit more heavier, and out the three, believe it or not, this is the heaviest one. I would say that one comes in a close second to it, and this is just really light. And as I said, with these cases, you cannot go wrong with these cases whatsoever. They are brilliant to have, and quite good for your trips. So this is the end of my video of the GoPole Venture case, the GoPro Compact case, and the GoPro Casey. So please do me a favor, please like and please subscribe. Thanks.